Oh, I saw this video, a guy claiming to have done this before and it works. He's removing sludge from an engine. So what I did was, just bear with me now. Here's the drain plug for the oil. I drilled a hole in it and I attached a little rubber hose on it. And sorry about the mess here, and I've connected this air to it and just stripped it so it's giving some flow. And I've actually added about I'm from Norway, so 25 liters of diesel into this, and now it's bubbling like crazy. What it does is the bubbles, it's agitating everything here in the engine, and all the sludge gets agitated by the bubbles and it cleans it, and all the sludge falls to the bottom. And when this is done, you just drain it and hopefully you have a clean engine. And after this I'm gonna remove this top cover here and see if it's helped. So